Hi everyone. Now welcome back to Children's Art Club, and today, as usual, Mr. R will be joining with all the kids, all the talented kids, and we're going to discuss about the collage art, right? So be prepared. I'm going to try to admit everyone here so that they can join the class. All right, this one I admit everything, and then I'm going to greet them first. Ready? Hi, good afternoon, everybody.
Hello, Mr. R.
Hello, Alithia. Oh, hi, Ivo. Hi, Tori and Rachel.
And I
Hi.
have a little My Little Pony toy.
Oh, you have a little pony toys? Nice.
Yeah, and it's new. I don't know why. My
Where you buy
mom buy
it?
it.
Where you buy it?
I
Somebody
don't
buy it?
know. Hi, Mr. R.
Hi, Alithia. How are you today? Good?
Yes. And I think there's more.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to show you some video first before we start, so that you can get some idea. Going to share some screen with you, and we have to where where is it? Where we are now? Wait. Where's my Zoom? I'll stop sharing first, and I'm going to admit Theo. Hi, Theo. So we're going to start, yeah. Thank you for being on time, and please prepare your paper and your marker, some of the coloring tools like this, right? So before we start, I'm going to share you some movie first so that you can get the point. I mean, get the idea from here. Right. This is the process when the collage artist working with the paper and trying to create something. She cut all the things. And then she creates something using maybe from the recycled paper or some of the a magazine maybe. All right. This one is the process when the artist trying to create a leaf maybe. See that her finger holding a scissor and try to cut all the paper, and then yeah, we're going to see this collage art is trying to blending the technique using the cutting or the craft skills and the drawing skills like that. See that? From the abstract shape, it becoming a very nice shape of a painting. What is that? A bird. Wow. It looks so beautiful now. All right, this is the result, guys, as you can see. Oh, sorry. Like that. All right. I think you get already the big idea about the collage art. All right, now we go to our slides today. Maybe some of you already remember, still memorize the first lesson that we are talking about how to be creative. How to be creative means that you can create something even with the less resources, okay? If you don't have any paper, you can use floor to draw. If you don't have any floor, you can use wall. If you don't have any wall, maybe you can use some recycled paper like this, or anything that you found. Okay, the creative person or creative student or creative person like you guys do not really easily give up. They will try to find a way to express their idea inside their brain to become something later on. So I want you now to work. Later we're going to work with the recycled paper like this. This one is a brochure from a flyer from the store, and some of my sketch paper, some of the all of the trash. So before I put it in the trash bin, I'm going to recycle this paper again then later on. Right? Now, I assume that everybody have to be creative, yeah? Last week also, we also learned about how to create or how to draw people in action. I think you already know how to draw it. And then now I'm trying to share you some thing in art. We call it collage art. Actually, collage art um, came from French language. I don't know whether my accent is good or not, but I think that we have to say it collage, collage. All right. Today's success criteria is we're going. You have to be understand. I understand and able to define collage art. So you have to be understand about collage art. Later, if Mr. Ark asking you about collage art, you have to be very confident to uh, uh, say it clearly. Okay. And then the second success criteria is this one is your goal. Okay, that you can create one example work using collage art technique. And the last one is I can share my knowledge right after I finish my work. So you have to share your knowledge to everyone. So we will exchange our knowledge, then everyone will get inspiration from others. And then the lessons, the goal of the lesson will be fulfilled with us later on. Right now, the question is, what is collage art? How is it looks like, Mr. Al? Okay, maybe some of you already know about collage art. Maybe some of you are not really know about collage art. So I'm going to show you the meaning of collage art. So I need Ivo to read louder, please. Ready? 1, 2, go. Come on, Ivo, help me to read this one louder.
You don't see anything, Mr. Al?
Oh, you don't see anything?
Yeah.
Oh
I
my good.
can see your YouTube only.
Yeah, we can see your YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah, me too. I cannot see a single.
Why don't you
reading.
tell me before? Okay, we have Leandra here. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to share it again, yeah? If it is already appeared, then help me, please.
But I cannot see the word, Miss.
Can you see it now?
College.
Collage. Collage.
I can.
Ivo, one more time. Collage.
Glass.
Yeah, okay. Again, come on. Read it louder.
Collage. French painting.
Yeah, it means
art.
casting.
Oh, so like people French always like paint something or make something.
Right. Read it.
Okay, artistic
Okay.
technique.
French paintings.
Casting. Artistic technique. Technique of. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay for.
I cannot read something very, very, very long, like this word.
I know that the vocabulary for this one, the word is a little bit hard for the kids to read, yeah, but at least we try. Come on, Ivo, try it first. It's okay, try it. I want everybody to try read everything. Oh, wait. Sorry, wait.
Of appling. Okay.
How is it, Ivo?
This is hard.
Right, ready? 1, 2,
Start.
3, go. Read it. Collage. French
Lush
casting.
French
Artistic technique.
painting. Artistic
Tech,
trick
technique.
technique of
Applying.
applying
Manufacture.
factor
Printed.
created or found
Materials.
materials such
As
as
bits
bits
of
of newspaper,
paper, fabric,
fabric,
or wallpaper, and etc.
uh,
etc. All right, who want to try to read this one? Come on, Ruth, you want to try it? Come on, Ruth. Ready? 1, 2, go.
college,
Collage. Yeah. Casting. Artistic technique. I know this one is a little
Here's
bit
a
challenging.
flower.
Applying, manufacturers.
Boing, boing, boing. Materials such newspaper,
fabric or wallpaper. So basically collage art is we are working with the fabric, we are working with the printed paper, we're going to also working with the newspaper, all the things which is already printed or all the things that we can recycle, reuse again, the function of the paper like this, okay? For some of us, maybe this brochure or this flyer, this poster are not really useful because we already get it, and suddenly if it is already expired, we cannot use it anymore. But for the artists, for the creative artists like you guys, you can create something using this one. Okay, are you ready now? I want all of you now. Oh, this one is the examples of the collage art. See that? Some of them are very abstract. It means that it doesn't really clear what is the message of the painting or the drawing or the yeah, something like this. And then they are using used magazine, and then they're also using some of the things. It's something like very freedom, very free. Yeah, they just express any idea from the brain, and they don't really care about the result. Is it good? Is it very nice or not? Right. This is how is it look like. This one is made by the adult, by somebody maybe, not a kid. And this one, see that looks so very weird, right? Looks so odd, this one. How come that the eyes very big and then the
It
mouth are
looks
so big?
so
Like,
weird.
yeah. And this one is very cute. We're using a newspaper and we're going to,
Yeah,
we are,
favorite. That's my
yeah,
favorite. Because
we are,
cats are favorite animals and they're so cute.
yes, I agree with you, Ifo. And this one is a face that similar with the one that we learned long time ago about the no, about Leonardo da Vinci. Oh no, the other one. Who said I forgot? Okay, let's try it. All right, this one is the picture of students working with the origami paper maybe or the coloring paper, and they are trying to create a face. But we're going to warming up first by making a butterfly collage art. Are you ready, everybody? All right, let's have some fun. I'm going to pointing my camera to my table, and then I'm going to start working with this one first.
Origami.
Right.
Want to use your origami paper? Yes. Okay.
Are you ready, everybody? All right, show me your thumbs if you're ready, please. Show me your thumbs up. Ready? Now, get some newspaper or use paper like this or brochure or some of the posters, something like that, and use your marker and try to draw a small circle like this, and then a little bit bigger oval like this, and then very small oval like that. Now we're going to cut. Let's begin. This one is the fun part of our collage art thing. We're going to cut these shapes.
Cut the shape.
Okay, in the SD now, it's really heavy raining. We have a heavy raining. I don't know if Leandra in Siberia experiencing the same weather with us in Indonesia. Okay, I get my first oval shapes. I'm going to stick it here. Ready? Okay, I will work with my, where's my glue? Okay, this one, I'm going to use my glue. Right, we're going to learn to recycle something and learn how to be creative, yeah? Okay, I'm going to put this small circle in the middle, like this. Or maybe I'm using the landscape orientation like this, okay? And I'm going to cut another one. Maybe you can guess what is the thing that I would like to create. Okay, you can. What? Okay, let's see. This one is flower or what, yeah? I'm going to stick this one at the bottom side of the what you call for this one? The body. And suddenly, maybe you can just directly guess what is this after I'm done with the head.
Is that the
Okay.
balloon?
Yeah, what is this? How about I put something here?
Is that a balloon?
No. Yeah, butterfly. Good job. Now I'm going to I'm going to create the wings. Yeah, I put the paper like this. Come on, everyone. Work with the head, body, and tail first. Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to draw the wings after this one. Okay, work with the head, body, and tail first. I'm going to teach you how to draw the wings later on. Easily. Yes, Devanka? You can talk, Devanka. Come on.
Butterfly is too small. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Can you open your camera, please, so I can see your progress, your drawing? Oh, the cam is facing upward. Yeah. Can you make it downward, please? Yes. All right. Who's done with the head, body, and tail? Ivo, how is it? Do you have any problem, everybody? It's easy, right? First of all, you have to draw with the small circle. I'm going to repeat it again so that you can get the idea from me. I'm using my...
I'm doing a
What?
flower.
Oh, you draw a flower?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, if you think that my butterfly is too easy, you can draw another things. I understand that creative people sometimes do not really want to follow the rules. I mean, follow the instruction. But as long as you work with your things, I can appreciate it. Are you ready? Not yet. Okay, I will give you another time for you. Okay, I'm going to create another body, head, and tail. Yeah, I'm going to draw another small circle, medium circle, and a very tall circle. I mean, not circle, oval. And I'm going to cut it again one more time. Oh, this one is sticking. I'm going to cut it again one more time. All right. As best as you can, you have to work by yourself, yeah? Let your mommy and your daddy just watch. Be a good of viewers. Let the artist like you working with your favorite paper like this. Okay, I'm done with the head, body, and tail. I cut it again one more time. All right, I'm going to stick it again. I'm going to stick the body first. Yeah.
I'm making an ant.
You're making an ant?
Yes.
Yeah, good job, Ruth. Yeah, I actually really salute with some kids who work differently with others. Yeah, if you don't really want to follow the rules, it's okay. If you think that Mr. Al, butterfly is too easy for me, I want to create another things. All right, so you can create with that things then. Now, Mr. Al wants to create wings of this butterfly. This one is butterfly and this one is a dragonfly. Remember, dragonfly wings is a little bit smaller than butterfly. So I will start with the dragonfly first. Okay, it's easy. I just need to draw. Yeah.
Can I do
Can I what?
it portrait?
Yeah. So for the wings of the dragonfly, I create four item. I mean four oval. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I need to cut it first. Again, collage art, we need to work with scissor all day long. We need to always working with the scissor. This, and I will cut my dragonfly wings.
Yes.
All right, you know what, everybody? Actually, Ruth already one step ahead. She already create some of the collage art in her school. Ruth, if it is possible, please share with us your face of somebody maybe that you create last time. Maybe everyone can get some inspiration from you. Actually, Ruth already created once, and I salute with that. Very good, Ruth. Keep up the good work.
Did what?
The one that you create, the face of somebody using the string and then the cutting paper. You stick. You also draw you using the googly eyes on the face. Wow, see that, you guys? Last time you used googly eyes also, Ruth, and then you put some decoration on the people face, something like that. Right, now I'm cutting my wings for the dragonfly. Remember that the dragonfly have a more smaller wings than the butterfly, yeah? Butterfly is a bit wider, but for the dragonfly, the wings are a little bit more smaller. All right, now I'm going to work with my dragonfly first. I will stick this one. I'm going to stick another one. Yeah. Then I stick another one here. And then stick it, the last one. See, nice, right? How is it, Nico? Hard for you to draw the butterfly? No?
A bit.
Is it easy or hard?
Little bit.
Okay, a little bit. Yeah, okay. Keep on drawing. Keep on cutting your paper, Nico. How about Alithia? Alistair? If you have any question, just ask Mr. Al, okay? I'm trying to explain everything as clear as, as best as I can. Something like this, guys. How is it, Ruth? Last time that I saw Ruth publish his work through Facebook, and I'm quite surprised because Ruth actually one step ahead from us. She already create a very nice face with the, yeah, that one, yeah. All right, Ruth, can you please explain to us just a little bit so that people will understand about something that you create last time?
Well,
Tell a little bit about your drawing, yeah? Ready, 1, 2, go.
I made the nose by.
Can you show your drawing also, your collage art also? See that?
Myself.
Wow. See that? Wow. Can you tell us a little bit story about your work?
Well, I made this hair, but it's a little bit funny because it's messy.
Yeah, I like the hair.
And also, I made the nose, which is like something like that with paper, pink paper. Also, I made the mouth, which is red, and also the clothes has flamingos on it.
Yay! Where you?
Has
Yeah. Is that your school's work, like homework?
Yes.
Wow.
You see, this is my school, K2 Victory.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much, Ruth, for sharing your drawing. Yeah. I think everybody now gets so excited to apply their. Okay, I'm going to move this butterfly because this one is maybe too. Oh, no need lah. I'm going to create another one. This one is too close with the dragonfly. I'm afraid that later the wings will be overlapping each other. Okay, I'm going to create the wings. All right, for the wings, this is the technique that you can use.
You can.
Yes, Ruth?
I'm just talking with my mommy.
Okay, sorry then. Now, right, this is the technique when you create, when you want to create wings, yeah, double wings. Wait, I'm going to use this one. Try to find the darker side of this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I will fold this like this, and I'm going to draw something on the top. Marker. Draw something on the top like this. Right? This one. And I'm going to cut it.
Mr. Al.
Yeah. Yeah,
I'm gonna make two of them. One is a garden and one is the underwater.
Yeah, can be, Ivo. That was a really nice idea. Be careful when you share your idea, somebody may steal it. Okay, but actually it's okay. I appreciate that you want to share your idea to me, but yeah, it's okay. You can just work with that. Okay, if you guys, right, Mr. Al only show you how to draw, how to create collage art of a butterfly. The rest, I need your creativity to create the flower, the underwater, and everything based on your creativity. Okay, I'm going to cut my wings first. Wait. Okay, cepat my wings first.
You can do it. Make it bigger.
How about just make it just like a box?
Up to you.
Okay, now I get my okay, like that. Then I just need to retrace it again here. I will paste this one on my paper to make the equal size of my butterfly. All right, now I have 1, 2 wings, and the other 2 I will cut it first. See that? This one is one of the alternative way when you want to create something but you don't want to use a crayon or paint because maybe you think that crayons and paint will be messy in your table, so you can use paper instead. This one I cut another wings. I will cut the last wings. All right, I have 4 wings now, which is I'm going to stick it on my butterfly like that. Ready? This is the fun part. I'm going to stick it. Stick one by one. Okay. Here. And then here. This one is here. And then the last one will be here. Done. Right, I'm done with my butterfly and dragonfly. So now I'm going to combine collage art with drawing. Wait, I need to find my cap first. All right, now I'm going to combine my drawing with my collage art with the drawing, yeah? Wait. The marker are not really good. Okay, I'm just pretending that this one is the underwater.
Mr. Al, can you help me?
Can I help you in what? Who's talking?
Rachel.
Oh, Rachel. Yes, Rachel. What can I help you?
What I do next?
What can I help you, Rachel?
What should I do next?
What should you do next? You have to decorate the empty space, yeah? Like this. I decorate it with my marker. That.
This has to be your little slide. I slowly.
So small.
Okay, Rachel, you can try to decorate your collage art, yeah? In this point, I am combining collage art with drawing. So I add everything with drawing. This one is the sun. And then this is the cloud.
Oh, you can.
Right. Yeah. And maybe I will draw another flowers on this side. and then another flowers. Okay, and I combine it with the
Already have you now to the zigzag.
or maybe some of the line, wavy line. As a decoration like that. And then I combine with the zigzag line maybe on this part. Come with all of my
Give you an example of the
so I am trying to decorate with the small dots. Yes, again, Devanka. Yeah, for the background, you can decorate it. You can combine your drawing skill with collage art, yeah? You can combine, guys. Right? I try to combine collage art with my drawing skill.
Can you do the download? It's a little bit.
Okay, now my drawing looks so uh, yeah, so many objects on my drawing. If you wanna use another media like highlighter,
and it's gonna be my work.
your drawing is also okay. Right, we want to continue reconnecting again, yeah. Please, if our Zoom are shut, off, you have to rejoin again. We're going to present your work after this one. Ready?
Okay, Mr.
Okay, I'm sorry we have to leave just a while and then we're going to join again. Reconnect again with the Zoom again. All right, this one is the fun part where everybody in this club will be sharing their opinion about what they are making, and then the moment that we now will be try to monitor the progress of the lesson. Is it really effective or not? We're going to ask them about what did they learn and how they understand about the collage art. Right? Let's start to invite them all. Okay, wait. I'm going to edit all the participants, and then here they are. Yes. I don't know. Right. Hi everyone. Let's start to present your work. Who's done? Okay, who's done, everybody?
Ini, thank you. Kanan, ayo cepat penting.
Right, who want to be the first one to present their...
Begitu terus.
Tangannya gara-gara pengen ngapain?
Right, who want to be the first one? Nico, you want to be the first one to present your work? Okay, now we're going to listen up. Our friend Nico wants to share his knowledge with us, yeah? Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hello, my name is Nico. This is my drawing. First, I draw in newspaper a circle and oval and small oval, and I stick it.
And then?
And I draw another one, and I stick it again. And I draw a wings and another wings, and I decoration like sea, flower, fish, plane, cloud, and sun. Done.
Wow, nice, Nico. Nico, do you understand about collage art?
Yes.
What is collage art for you? It's okay. You just use your own opinion. What is collage art?
Collage
Based your
art
understanding. Based on your understanding.
Draw, but is draw on the stick and newspaper, like
Draw on the
newspaper.
newspaper and then cut it.
Yes.
And then use
And you stick and stick it.
or you stick it. Okay, you combine your collage art with your drawing, yeah.
Yes.
Are you happy with that? Nico?
Yes.
Okay, can you give me 3 things that you learned from this lesson?
I learned about collage art, decoration, and stick.
Okay, Nico, can you show me again your drawing, please, for a while? Right, I want you to draw maybe a mountain or a building. The bottom side is still look empty. Yeah,
Okay.
the bottom side of your paper looks so empty. Can you draw something? All right, let's draw it again, please, Nico. Thank you. After you're done, you can present it again, yeah, Nico. Don't leave yet. Okay, next. Who wants to be the next one? Kita mau nanya siapa lagi ya? Alithia, are you done? Hi, Leandra, are you done? You want to share your drawing? Leandra?
I draw a butterfly and a dragonfly playing in the park,
Yeah.
and the sun has from the book and make the light with the sun.
Wow, nice, Leandra. You try to create a sun using the collage art technique, right? You stick the old magazine onto your paper like that.
Yes.
Okay, what is collage art for you? You can use your own opinion. What is collage art for you?
You cut all scraps and stick, and you recycle and stick them into a paper to make more art.
Okay, you recycle the paper and to create a new form of art. Wow, thank you so much, Leandra. You can continue to work with your magazines and everything, yeah? After you're done, you can present it again, all right? Yeah, okay. Let's give another turn for your friend. Maybe who wants to be the next one? Guys, you need to be like a risk taker, okay? This is the fun part when
Me.
we start. Oh, Ruth, you want to be? Oh, Ivo, come on, Ivo, you want to be the next one? Come on,
Yep.
Ivo, show us your your collage.
I'm gonna do the open one at the next one. So this is a gigantic flower with, and there's a bird and a cat, which is my cat, and there's a muddy puddle, and there's a people, and there's a butterfly,
Yeah.
and there's a sunset.
Wow, what is the things that you use for making for your?
I use newspaper and my marker, and I use some scissors.
Oh, but the sun.
And some glue.
The sun. What material that you use for the sun? The opposite, the sun. Your sun. You create the sun.
Oh. Yeah, and also I use two different colors, like these colors, and they mix perfectly fine. And now the ocean.
Wow, you create two artwork. Well done. Good job. What is that?
There's found a fish from Ariel, and here's Ariel, the mermaid. And here's some fishes. Family, this is the mom.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the dad, mom, and the children. And here's the dad, and here's the mom, and here's the children, and a baby. I mean, this is their sister, and this is the kid, and this is the baby. It's so tiny. And there's some seaweed. And I prepare some bubbles because the family fish have some bubbles.
All right, Ivo, did you make it by yourself?
Not really. My mom helped me.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's really nice. You know what? Ivo, the way you present your work are very impressive, you know. I can see that you are very confident. And then you know what? Your English are also good. I give you 2 thumbs up for your English and for your braveness while you are presenting your work. And I'm saluting you because you create artwork in a very short time, like 40 minutes, and then you create 2 work. That's really amazing for me. Thank you so much, Ivo. Now you can start to continue to create another one, or you can watch your friends presenting, or if you're already tired, you can leave the call. Thank you so much. You can join with us actually. Yeah. Thank you so much for inspired us, Ivo, with your stunning presentation. Now, wow, I just learned a lot from Ivo and Leandra and from Nico also. How about Pio? Pio, come on. Are you done?
I'm not done.
Not yet done? Okay, if
Yes.
you're not yet done, it's okay. Pio, I know that you take a course in EF, right? It's in English first. Okay, I just want to encourage you that no matter what, you have to present you have to talk in English, okay? Just to test, to challenge yourself. And then it's okay if you make mistake because people make mistake actually. And even Mr. R also make mistake. My English are also not very good, but I dare to try. Okay, the difference between me and the other person outside there is because I dare to try. I don't care about my English are good or not. Okay, Pio, talk yeah. After this one, you have to talk a lot. Okay, how about Alithia? Alistair, are you ready? Or Rachel? Come on, time is ticking. If you do not speak now, you will left behind then. We will not get another time again then later on. Okay. Oh yeah, Ruth, have you present your work? Ruth, have you present your work? Ruth? Have you present yours?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I forgot, yeah.
Ruth already present, but you can present it again, Ruth, after you're done of everything, yeah? If you're done with everything, you can share it again so that you can get inspiration from it. Alethea, are you ready? Come on, ready or not? Alethea, we are waiting. Are you ready, Alethea?
Ready.
Ready, okay. Now, everybody, please welcome Alethea. Go.
This is mine.
No, do it properly like this one. Hi, my name is Alethea, and this is my work. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Okay. Hi, my name is Leah, and this is my drawing. I made a unicorn and a bear and a dragonfly and a butterfly.
And then,
I didn't much decorate it because I don't have any time for it.
are you working with the recycled paper?
No, I just use paper because
Yeah, it's okay.
I have.
Yeah,
My mom just printed my mom just printed the news, the magazine, and I don't want to use it, so I just use paper.
Yeah, all right. I think I get your point now. Alethea, you know what? The way you present it are really good. I'm impressed with the way you draw. You draw people with the nice dragonfly at the back, and then you try to stick all the things on your paper. And this one is very good, but I need you to create a lot. So you will have a lot of full set of picture on your paper later on, yeah, Alethea? All right.
Yeah.
Try to create a lot of objects on your paper, so it will be so merrier with a lot of objects, and then, yeah, it will look so awesome later on. Right? You can start to draw it again.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fun. Thank you so much, Alethea, for sharing with us. Don't forget to make a lot of objects on your drawing. Thank you. Next will be, who wants to be the next one? Oh, we have Alistair. Alistair, you want to share yours? Your drawing?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. I like your the way. I mean, I like your dress. It looks so pinky, and you know what? I'm using pinky color also on my clothes. Wow, see that? This one is very good. My God. Okay, start to present it now. Whenever you're ready, come on, Alisa.
Hello, my name is Alice. This is my drawing.
Large art, and then
This is Togar. Eat pizza
wow, yeah.
and drink juice.
Drink some juice, yeah, and then
And then Togars are happy.
wow, both of them are so happy, yeah, because they are eating something. Very nice. Where you get the idea, Alice? Where you get the idea? You using your own idea, like just pop up in your brain, in your mind?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really nice. You cut it by yourself?
Yes.
Wow, this one is really cool, you know? I want you to put something on the wall again, maybe some of the painting or make the wall colorful. Can you do it?
Yes.
All right. Can you mention 5 things that you learned from our lesson today? 5 things you learned about what? Ready? 1, 2, go. I learned
about
I learned how to cut paper.
how to cut paper.
Okay, good job. I learned how to stick paper.
About Creative.
Oh, I learned how to be creative. Good job. And then the next one, I learned how to stick the paper.
Yes.
I learned, coba, come on, repeat it again. Follow me, okay? I learned how to stick the paper.
I learned
How
about how
to stick
to
the paper.
stick the paper.
Good job. Very nice. The other one, do you have anything to say? The last one, fourth one only is okay. I learned what?
About
About what? You can ask your mommy. Your mommy can help you actually. Mommy, please help.
learn about
I learned how to present my.
collage.
Yeah, again. I cannot hear you.
I learn about college.
Yeah, I learned about collage art. Yeah, thank you so much, Alice. Well done. I give you 2 thumbs up because you're so brave and you're so confident now. By the way, I like the way you're using. I mean, you're wearing your dress. I also using pink. Today is a pinky day. Yay! Thank you, Alice. Yeah, come on, make your collage art more colorful at the background, yeah, on the wall. Thank you. Now, who will be the next one? We still have like 20 more minutes ahead. Oh, Rachel. Go, Rachel. Ready? 1, 2, go, Rachel. Wow.
First, I the head, and then I.
Oh, no. Wait. You have to say, hi, my name is Rachel, and this is my collage art. Come on. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hello, my name is Rachel. This is my collage art.
Yeah.
I make an eyes
Mm-hmm.
and a dancing robot in the moon.
Wow.
And then I make a music box.
Music box. Good job. What else?
A sun.
Sun. Yeah. Good job. What else, Rachel?
Already.
Okay, I think I get your point. Can you mention 3 things that you learned just now?
How to stick it in the paper.
How to stick it on your paper. Second one, I learned about how to.
I learned about a picture.
Yay, I learned about picture. Good job. The last one, come on, one more please. Rachel, one more. What did you learn? You learn how to create a robot on the moon. What? It's okay, I'm waiting.
I make a new picture.
Oh, you learn how to create a new picture, yeah, which is a robot. Thank you so much, Rachel. Congratulations. Yay. I give you 2 thumbs up. How about you, Tori?
I'm done.
Okay, Tori first. Go. Ready? 1, 2, go.
My name is Tori. I make a butterfly. I make a 2 butterfly, and I make a lot of bees here. I want to go stay home.
Wow.
And I make a tree and a bush and a blueberry bush, and I make these 2 bushes here and some tree, and I made a tree clouds. Yeah, and I made a sun.
Wow, that's really nice and so impressive, Tori. Are you working by yourself?
Yes.
You promise that nobody's help you?
Yes.
Okay, that's really cool. All right, can you mention 3 things that you learned? Come on, Tori. 3 things I learned about what?
How to stick.
Paper.
Yep.
Okay, good. Second one, I learned about what?
How to make a picture.
Picture using recycled paper.
Yes.
Yes. The last one more time. One more. You learn about what? Come on. You learn how to present it.
Yes.
Brilliant. All right. Thank you, Tori. Well done. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rachel. You always smile. You know what? Your smile looks so cute like that. Like that. Thank you, Rachel. Bye-bye. Bye, Tori. Now, the next one will be what? Whoa, Ifo, you are inside the tent. That's so fun. I want to be there also.
I think because at my room, the internet not really very good.
All
So
right.
I will feel my
How about Alita? Alithia, come on, Alithia. Now it's your turn. Or Fio, we don't have much time. Come on, you have to be hurry. 15 more minutes.
I'm not finished yet.
Okay. How about Fio? Fio, come on, Fio. Or Devanka. Come on, Devanka. Ready, Devanka? Show it on your screen. Ready? Louder, yeah?
Okay.
1, 2, go.
This is my drawing.
Okay, go.
So I name it the Flying City. Everybody is flying. To draw this, I use my imagination. And here I draw a rainbow. I get this inspiration from drawing basic shapes.
Then?
And here there's a small lamp. And there's a flower that is shaped like a heart, but it can't be seen because it's bright.
Okay.
Later I'll color it. And then I also drew something like a moon in here.
All right. Can you mention 3 things that you learned?
Drawing overlapping things.
Okay, drawing overlapping things. And the second one is?
Drawing a collage
Collage art.
Collage art.
Okay, the last one will be?
The last one will be
You learn how to what? To be creative? Or?
Yeah, to be creative.
All right, thank you, Devanka. Now I will go back and you have to turn off your mic. All right, can you hear me, guys?
Yes, I can hear you.
Of course you can hear me. I mean, yeah, because we are in the one room, right? Pio, come on.
Hello.
It's your turn. Hi, Ipo. You're inside the tent. I really want to have that kind of tent, you know, so that I can play. But I'm adult. I think.
I very wanted that.
Yeah.
My mom buy this.
Yeah, you can go camping, right? Pio, are you ready? Pio, your friends here are waiting for you. Are you ready? 1, 2, go, Pio.
This is my thing. It is butterfly, and I have one make river, river in here, and then I draw a sun in upstairs. Yes, like
How is it? Again, maybe you want to show us again. At the bottom side, please, Pio. Can you show us your picture again, your drawing again? All right. Is it hard or easy, Pio, to create collage art?
No.
Not hard. It's easy, right?
Yes.
Are you happy with the collage art? Which one do you like? Collage art or drawing?
Two.
Which one do you like? Collage art, the one that you create now, or drawing? Just as a normal drawing. Which one do you like the most?
Collage art.
Or collage art, yeah, because you're working with the recycled paper, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Pio, mention 5 things that you learned from this lesson. Ready? One is I learned about.
I learned about to be creative.
Okay, good. And then the second one, I
learned about
how
making collage art.
Oh, making collage art. Good job. Okay, the third one now. Third one. You learn how to stick paper.
Yes.
Okay, next, the fourth one. Come on. You learn about what? You learn how to draw butterfly or draw the river or what? River.
I learned about making the background.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Theo. I think it's complete 5 things that you already mentioned that you learn about how to be creative, how to create collage art, and everything. Thank you so much, Theo, for joining with us and for sharing your collage art with us. And you can keep on drawing with that while we will give another turn for somebody to present their work. Okay, now it's a free time. Maybe already all of you already share your drawing. Ruth, you want to share it again? We still have 10 more minutes. Ruth, you want to share it again? You want to reshare again your your collage art?
Yes.
All right, come on, Ruth. I'm going to pin your screen and we can start to talk now. What is that?
I draw a butterfly and a dragonfly and the clouds and a heart and a tree and I draw an green key and also I draw the flowers, the grass.
No, it's only calm. Don't be afraid. Don't worry.
What's happened?
The curtain was moving and I thought it was no one there, so I was shocked.
Okay, continue. Come on, Ruth.
And also I have a box.
Box at the side. Yeah, wow. That's really creative. Okay, and you're using recycled paper?
What?
Are you using recycled paper?
I'm using recycled paper.
Oh, yeah. Okay, your calendar, right? You cut it. Make sure that you ask your mommy first if you want to cut something.
And also I made it with my mommy, but this is my mommy, but I made this, the pony.
Wow, that is a good idea. You draw the little pony on the recycle calendar, and then your mommy helped you to cut it, right?
Yes.
Okay, what a nice collaborative learning. Thank you so much, Ruth, for sharing it with us. Okay, I think this one is a good example on how we collaborate with our parents, right? Especially with our mommy. All right, I think that's it so far. If you guys want to share, you can share it again. We still have like 7 more minutes ahead. Alice, you want to share it again? What is that? Are you working with origami paper? Alice, you're working with origami, right?
No.
Oh, you create a plan using a paper? Airplane? All right, you want to talk? You don't want to talk? It's okay. How about you, Leandra? You want to re-share it again one more time? Or Alethea? If you want to reshare it again, your work, you just raise your hand and I'm going to give the screen to you later on. Right, this one is a fun part, everybody. I want you to talk, not just only drawing, drawing, drawing. It's so boring when you are only drawing, yeah? I want you to talk. Leandra, are you ready to share it again one more time? Okay, now Leandra. Everybody give it up for Leandra. Woo-hoo. Go.
So I made this drawing. It's about a butterfly and a dragonfly playing in the park. There is a big tree and a rainbow and a sun and lots of flowers.
Yeah, just now I can see that your drawing are still empty, but now you are updating with a lot of yeah, you stick all the flowers with the paper, right? And then I love the way you draw the love on the right side, on the love right corner. And then I also like you when you are creating the rainbow on your left side. That's really nice. All right. Ask your mommy to frame your drawing. That's so beautiful. I want if I will be if I will I mean if I were there, I will just uh put your drawing on the frame and I'm going to stick it on the wall because that one is very good. Thank you, Leandra, for sharing with us. Thank you so much. And who else wants to share? Yeah. Who else wants to share? Alithia, you want to share again?
Yes.
Okay, go, Alithia. See that we are so productive here. We don't wasting our time. Come on, go. Alithia, share your drawing.
I'm yeah, and this is my drawing. I made this more a bit fuller. I add flowers and clouds like this. And add some more detail to the tails.
Wow, now it looks more better. Yeah, again.
Yeah.
Again, please. What is that? Are you drawing a pony?
I made this is a unicorn.
Oh, unicorn. And then what else at the bottom?
It's like a horn.
Yeah, okay. I get it.
On the bottom like this.
Okay. Very cool. What is at the top?
There's a bell. Oh, what?
What
Is
is
it
on the
this?
top? Yes, what is that?
The sun.
Oh, the sun. Yeah. Are you happy with that, Alithia?
Yes.
Is it hard for you to create collage art?
Maybe.
Okay, which one do you like the most? Creating collage art or drawing? Which one do you like the most?
Huh?
Which one do you like the most? Creating collage art or drawing?
College.
Collage art, yeah?
Why? much.
All right, I think I get your point. Thank you so much, Alithia, for sharing it with us. So everybody, I think we are now at the last session of our children's art club. See you again next week, and don't forget to always keep on drawing and talking in English. Okay? Don't give up. Keep on drawing and share your concept through English language. Practice your English a lot. All right. See you again next week, everybody. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
Alice.
Alice.
Bye.
Bye, Ruth. See you again next week.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye,
Bye,
Nico.
Nico.
Everyone.
See you
See you
again.
again next week.
Bye, happy.